everyone! Welcome back to Sinigang and S'mores channel! So this is the part 2 of my surprise birthday vacation vlog. If you missed the part 1, you definitely want to check it out because my husband totally outdid himself with this amazing getaway. In this continuation, we're diving into more of the surprises, adventure, and unforgettable moment he's planned. Let's keep the celebration going! Let's go! Alright guys, we're finally here at our first destination. And as you can see, we're about to head up there. To check out the incredible view of the Hoover Dam. Did you know that this bridge is actually the highest concrete arch bridge in the Western Hemisphere? It spans the Colorado River and connects Arizona and Nevada. Pretty cool, right?
Hi.
Hi. Who's afraid of heights?
Where are you right now?
I don't know.
The Hoover Dam.
What? Hoover Dam?
The Hoover Dam. Yes, the Hoover Dam. Not the Hooker Dam, the Hoover Dam. Wow. That's a long way down.
So, the Hoover Dam actually offers 1-hour guided tour of the power plant and the passageways inside the dam, which sounds so cool, right? But my husband says we don't have enough time for that since we've got to head somewhere else after this, which is I don't know where. So I'll just be doing a quick photo op instead. We're going to Arizona! Happy driving!
For one of us.
3 hours later.
We've arrived in Flagstaff, Arizona! Now we'll check into our hotel and after that we'll head out for dinner. I mean, who isn't hungry after 3 hours of travel and nearly a whole day of exploring? This is what the lobby looks like. Simple and cozy with a fireplace design. They also have a little shop here. Hey, sir, can I do a room tour?
Come on in, MTV Cribs.
Wow, this is a little nicer than the other one.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Wow.
Hello, everyone.
Ooh, yeah. I like the mirrors. You have a lot of mirrors. Mirror, 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 mirror. Ano daw? Nangongo. So we have 2 beds for now. For this day, we're gonna be divorced. We have separate bed.
Is that right?
Yeah, because Rusty is always stealing my spot. So we have a little balcony outside. I can't really see the view. This is a parking. We'll see tomorrow how it looks like. Little working table. because Rusty's gonna work even we're on vacation. That's how hard working my husband is. Hi. Okay. We're gonna make some coffee or tea. Coffee or tea? Hi guys. So now we're heading out for dinner. It's currently 6 degrees here in Flagstaff, like 43 degrees Fahrenheit, right? So yeah, we're doubled. Which restaurant we're going, love?
I don't know. I'm debating that because the vast majority of them close here at 9 o'clock, and it's already 8:15.
Almost closing.
So there's only 2 or 3 that I found that close at 10. So I'm gonna try one of those first. Italian restaurant.
Italian restaurant. There's no Filipino restaurant?
No.
Lucky you, I can't bring rice today.
Lucky me.
Or else, I'm gonna have rice in a tumbler again. Put on your beanie so you won't get sick. Well, we're just gonna go to somewhere else because the Fat Olive restaurant is pretty full and they said we need to wait at least 1 hour to be seated. So, we'll go somewhere else. We're here in the second restaurant. Let's see if this Mexican restaurant has available seats for us. Kasi ayaw maghintay nitong isa. Gutom na siguro. Thank you. We are seated. We're just waiting for our order. But we have some, what do you call this?
Chips and salsa.
Chips and salsa. Kain po tayo! I'll end the vlog here for today. Good night, everyone. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. This is our outside view. And we're ready to go out. We're ready to go out to grab a little breakfast before our hike.
First, we need some coffee.
Yeah, my husband needs some coffee.
You're gonna interrupt everything I say.
And okay, grab some coffee.
And then we're gonna go to Walnut Canyon National Park for a
Walnut.
little hike to see how the Native Americans used to live.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go far. You're cutting me off on the camera. You're not zoomed out far enough. You're not quite a professional yet. Look at my head. It's completely cut off. What are you doing here?
Yeah, that's fine now.
Yeah, now it's fine. I'm taller than you.
Okay.
And we're gonna go south down towards Sedona and see a chapel up on the hill, big church, some more hiking, sunset, grab some lunch, things like that.
Okay.
You ready to go?
Ready to go.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. We are here in our first destination, Walnut Canyon National Monument.
Excuse me, miss. Why are you laughing at me? We've been hiking for all of 2 minutes and my wife's already taken a break.
I'm just chilling. We're not here to race.
Well, if it was a race, you would be the turtle in the race.
Yeah.
And then you speed up at the end.
Did you know that this canyon is over 1,000 years old? That's right! Walnut Canyon was once home to the ancient Sinagua people. They lived here between 1100 and 1250 AD. Talk about ancient history! You might be wondering, why Walnut Canyon? Well, the canyon was named after the black walnut trees that used to grow here, although today it's mainly pinyon pines and junipers that thrive in the area. And check this out! These are the cliff dwellings carved directly into the canyon walls. The Sinagua built these homes right into the rocks to protect themselves from the elements and enemies. I mean, how cool is that? You know, the best way to experience this place is by hiking the Island Trail, which takes you right down to the base of the canyon. And if you're lucky, you might spot some wildlife along the way, like rock wren, mule deer, or even a golden eagle. Still good. Still alive and kicking. Oh,
I can put myself on this side so then you're on that side.
wow, my vloggerist husband. This is the example of the shelter.
Perfect shelter.
Nice.
Turn around, leave.
Oh my gosh.
I gotta be careful in here. Low ceilings.
There's more here. Wow, imagine you're living there. They use the mud to put the rocks.
Yeah. Nowadays we use
Cement.
bricks and cement.
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Hi, welcome to my house. Come on in.
Can you show me around? Where's your kitchen?
There, all around. Ooh, look at that. Is that a crawl? It's kind of steep. That's how their houses looks like before. Like bear, maybe they're hunting.
Deer or
As you can see, Walnut Canyon is a perfect getaway if you want to avoid the big crowds but still experience some epic history and nature. So, if you're in Flagstaff, Arizona, make sure you stop by Walnut Canyon. It's definitely worth it. So, if you're looking for something to take home, this place has a ton of cool stuff, from locally made crafts to some great keepsakes. There's definitely something for everyone here. Alright, it's time to wrap things up here at Walnut Canyon. What an incredible day exploring the cliff dwellings and learning about this amazing history. But don't go anywhere, we've got some more adventures coming your way. I'll see you in part 3 of the vlog to find out where we're headed next. See you there!